Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking an engine and SDK, Unity with AR Foundation, or Unreal with AR Kit/AR Core, because this decides cross-platform workflow. Next, create the project, set target platforms, and enable AR permissions so the app can use camera and sensors. Import optimized 3D assets and set up layers, colliders, and light probes. This reduces runtime cost. Once those essentials are in place, initialize a sample AR scene and verify device capability. Make sure tracking and camera feed appear before moving on. Now you implement core AR features. Enable plane detection and hit testing to place content reliably, and create anchors so virtual objects stay fixed in world space. Then add occlusion using depth or segmentation so virtual content sits behind real objects when appropriate, and layer physics for believable interactions. Once done, integrate persistence and cloud anchors if you need multi-session continuity. Make sure to profile CPU and GPU. Use LODs and batching to keep 60 FPS on target devices. Finish by polishing UX. Add clear placement affordances, concise onboarding, and graceful error states so users recover from lost tracking. Produce debug builds to capture logs and sensor data, then create optimized release builds with stripped symbols. Once packaged, run cross-device tests and monitor performance metrics. Make sure memory and battery use are acceptable. If things go wrong, first reset tracking and recalibrate sensors. That fixes most placement and drift issues immediately, while you gather logs for deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.